Good evening, everyone. Myself, Judishwar. I am from class 10 from Platinum Studios. Today, I am going to demonstrate my project. It's called LiFi. So, imagine a world where you can access the internet without harming the future and also the nature. So, for my project, problem statement is that most of the Wi-Fi routers, internet are emitting most of the radiation. Because of this radiation, the nature, the environment, and the birds are getting harmed, and also our health. So for this problem statement, I came up with a solution. It is called LiFi. So where we provide the internet and also data sharing in the line. So for that, I have made a prototype for my project for this problem statement. So here you can see that I have used the laser and also the LDR. So here I have done Arduino. So here you can see the reading. So here you can see the reading where it is transmitting the hello world with the zeros and ones. So here we have used the two Arduinos, one breadboard, one toggle switch, and also the two main things, which is transmitter, it is light. We have used the laser light, and here we are using the LDR sensor, or also we can also use the IR sensor for this. So here this LDR sensor is a receiver here. So while we are going to use the transmitters, which flickers 1000 times in a second, which even our eye can't detect the light flickers, and receiver receives the binary line, which is zeros and one, and transmit the data. This is the simple working of my project in UP model. So the advantages of this project is that this is eco-friendly and sustainable development, and also help our work to be done fast, because this LiFi project gives the 256 Gbps per the max, where our Wi-Fi will only have 20 Gbps. So here I have made a website for my project also. So you can see the website here. I have demonstrated and explained my total project in this website. I have hosted this website using the Vercel. You can see the website URL lifi-1.vercel.app. So I will share this URL in the Word document. And this is all about my project. Thank you.